Hi guys, welcome to my channel Nana Black Diamond. Today I'll be showing you how to cook Creole chicken. So let me take you guys in a Port-au-Prince kitchen. The ingredients. You'll need some fresh chicken, an onion, a sweet pepper, a lemon, some Pikliz, a ginger, garlic, vegetable oil, white vinegar, chicken base, black pepper, and salt. Now, the preparation. Cut the lemon in two. Extract the lemon juice from 1/2. Save the juice for later. Put the extracted lemon in a pan with water and add a good amount of salt. Set to boil. Clean your chicken in the meanwhile by removing the skin and all fat. Put the boiling water on the chicken. Cover the bowl to keep the steam. Leave this aside for at least 5 minutes. Then remove the water from the chicken and the lemon. This will allow to eliminate any excess of blood from the chicken. It's now time to cook it. To your steamed chicken, add sliced onion, sliced sweet pepper, some chopped garlic, extracted lemon juice, black pepper, some salt, a little bit of Pikliz, white vinegar, and the chicken cube base. Now set the stove temperature at medium heat. Add some vegetable oil and add the seasoned chicken in the oily pan. Allow it to fry on each side for 5 minutes. It's optional. You can add some ginger to add a little bit of flavor. Cover your pan and don't add any water. The chicken will slowly cook with its own juice. But if you notice that your chicken is sticking in your pan, it means that you need to add a 1/2 cup of water to help the chicken cook completely. When the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pan and make it grill on both sides under the stove until it's golden. Just so beautiful. Now to make your gravy, add some water in the pan to mix with the ingredients. Then slice some onion and some sweet pepper and mix with the preparation. Leave it to low heat on the stove and then place your chicken in your gravy if you'd like so. This is your yummy Creole chicken. Hope you'll enjoy it. Voila! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.